put an end to the ending questions. You should learn from me, 'cause I don't like evil people. Verses so credited. I say hustlers be lying with the deceiving tricks. Good Christians like me go straight towards telling what's true. Non-experienced people like y'all think you're really buying excellent rapper discs. Those rapper stars out there teach kids criminal ways. I'm saying they're royalties, and them rap artists are wicked since it's been in crooked hands. While I just in case as most of the great rhymes, I'm the first person to say it in public minds, talking about the people who spit raps and make the world a wreck. Rap people say deceitful words. Also, their vision is a wreck, just as their mind can't see. So pray that God help you people become Christian sins. Most people nowadays' minds is a wreck. What's triggering America now? I have a righteous way. I come to your hood, pep talk you up. I am not talking about multiple dates. I'm talking one date. That's nice. I come through the hood, wild you up. You don't wanna miss, because you get real tough. That don't even matter. My knowledge is so big, it's bigger than average people couldn't handle it. What's triggering America now? What's triggering America now?